Is your photo's background not looking good? Is the lighting too flat, or does your face look a little dull? But you don't want to spend a lot of time editing in Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to retouch your photo, improve the lighting, change the background, and make your photo look more professional, all from your mobile phone. For this, I'm going to use ChatGPT. You can do this from both your PC and mobile phone. I'm using an Android phone for this tutorial. First, open ChatGPT and tap the plus icon. Then, import or upload your photo. Now, I'll simply type a very basic prompt, retouch the photo. Then, send it. Wait a few moments, and you'll see the magic happen. Now you can see the lighting looks better, the subject is sharper, and the overall image looks much more polished. Okay, now let's try another prompt to change the background and retouch the photo. For this, I'm going to use the same photo, but you can try it with a different one. Again, just type this simple prompt. Change the background and retouch the photo. Now, send it and wait a few seconds.
As you can see, the background has been changed perfectly, and the retouching result is absolutely amazing. I'm really impressed with the result.
And the best part is, you don't need to manually select the subject, create complicated masks, or spend a lot of time in Photoshop. The AI does most of the work for you. So that's how you can use AI to easily retouch your photos, improve the lighting, and change the background, all from your mobile phone. If you enjoyed this AI photo editing tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI editing tutorials and tips. And let me know in the comments what AI photo editing trick you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.